Welcome to the Wednesday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast, where we dive headfirst into today's most riveting tech stories. We'll explore Google's power moves and cloud collaborations and jaw-dropping AI wizardry transforming industries. Then buckle up for Apple's roller coaster as tariff tensions test its pricing strategies and production ingenuity. Finally, the drama intensifies with AppLovin's headline-grabbing legal woes over alleged ad fraud, leaving their stock stumbling in a tech twist saga. Get ready for an action-packed episode where market maneuvers, strategic shifts, and legal entanglements shake the tech world. All right, folks, it's time for your daily dose of tech with a big focus on everyone's favorite search giant, Google. Drumroll, please, as we dig into why Google is making the headlines today. Let's start with software developer Globant, announcing a strategic alliance with Google Cloud. These two tech titans are coming together to drive digital innovation across several key industries using AI-driven solutions. Whether it's media and entertainment or financial services, Google Cloud's AI capabilities will be deeply embedded into Globant's solutions, aiming at bolstering scalability, seamless operations, and tackling those pesky data system hurdles. This partnership not only highlights Google's robust presence in the AI domain, but also sheds light on the significance of its cloud services in driving cross-industry digital transformation. Next up, cybersecurity superstar Palo Alto Networks and Google Cloud team up, with Palo Alto breaking through a staggering $1.5 billion in sales on the Google Cloud marketplace. This monumental milestone is a testament to the company's commitment to seamlessly integrating AI, thanks to Google's hierarchical tech resources, for a more secure cloud-first strategy. Google acknowledges Palo Alto's contributions with multiple plaudits. The collaboration underscores how Google's AI and ML capabilities, a key part of its cloud prowess, fuel innovation and drive robust security solutions. Now let's talk about CrowdStrike. They've decided to deepen their relationship with Google, fortifying AI innovation security perimeter using CrowdStrike's Falcon cloud security platform. As they tighten their grip on cybersecurity challenges, they also received the 2025 Google Cloud Security Partner of the Year award. Clearly, Google Cloud's trusty toolkit is a hit among major players in cybersecurity, proving again and again its efficacy and versatility when it comes to securely accelerating AI integration. But hang on, hardware fans, Google's not just about the cloud. Enter AMD, who announced their 5th-gen EPYC processors are now powering Google Cloud's latest virtual machines. This new lineup facilitates high-performance, scalable, and cost-effective processing solutions that leverage Google's infrastructure. Google Cloud customers can now tap into this cutting-edge tech to optimize their cloud-native applications. This collaboration further benefits from AMD's media enhancements in processing power, translating to smooth sailing when deploying demanding workloads, crunching data analytics, or pushing AI boundaries. The pièce de resistance, Google's partnership with Sphere Entertainment, which unveils the dazzling upcoming production of The Wizard of Oz at Sphere in Las Vegas. Google is doling out its magical AI expertise, Veo 2, Imagen 3, and fine-tuned Gemini models to push the boundaries of generative AI. This tech wizardry will recreate cinematic nostalgia on a colossal scale. The wizard's curtain going up is not only symbolic of Google's prowess in AI and visual tech, but a nod to its central role in reshaping entertainment experiences for future generations. It's been an action-packed ride for Google in the headlines today, flexing its cloud tech muscles, innovative AI toolkit, and great partnerships. That seems about it. Isn't the tech world just a little happier and shinier with Google's daily magic touch? Keep your seatbelts buckled for some truly amazing spins from Google as its innovations continue to redefine the possible. Wow, what a whirlwind of Apple news today. Let's break down all the action packed into Apple's roller coaster ride on the tech scene. First off, the options world was buzzing with whispers of Apple's future. Some deep-pocketed investors have gone bearish on Apple, indicating they might foresee stormy weather ahead. Benzinga's options scanner caught a flurry of activity. 281 extraordinary trades featuring 128 puts and 153 calls, showcasing a sentiment shift amongst investors. In classic Wall Street flair, a price target prediction is scattered like New York confetti, ranging pragmatically between $110 and a high-flying $250 based on expert analyses, reflecting diverse market sentiment. Next on the agenda, the tariff turmoil. As tensions rise between the US and China, there's growing concern about a steep cost increase for iPhones. A BofA analyst highlighted how manufacturing in the US could lead to a price surge of up to 90%, prompting Apple to explore alternatives like ramping up production in India. Amidst this geopolitical chess game, automation might become Apple's knight in digital armor, potentially suppressing labor costs. Speculators are feeling the heat, with Apple's stock taking a plunge recently, driven by these tariffs coupled with brooding whispers of Chinese trade tensions. Meanwhile, the race against time kicked into high gear when Apple reportedly shot 5 flights filled with iPhones and other products to the US, swerving past Trump's new 104% tariffs on Chinese imports like a wily sidewinder. By flying in products from both India and China, Apple fortified its US inventory at pre-tariff prices. Ingenious and necessary, given the stock had a 23% nosedive since these tensions ramped up at the start of April. On the comparison side of the spectrum, some savvy tech number crunching places Apple alongside its industry peers. Analysts hone in on Apple's PE, PB, and PS ratios, meanwhile lauding its lucrative profitability and edge in operations. Nevertheless, the firm lags behind in the revenue growth contest amongst its industry teammates, highlighting untapped arenas or new avenues for expansion. Yet Apple's superiority shines strong with unbeatable profits, despite the rising fears over its slower revenue growth. As if keeping silent would suffice, this trading behemoth couldn't escape speculation on shifts moving it beyond traditional industry limits, from sought-after innovative gadgets to new immersive product genres. Just like that, Apple's news rundown swirled from terse options talk to interesting strategic plays, reminding us why it's all action-packed drama, tension, and splash within the tech sphere, all while investors watch with bated breath. Grab your popcorn, folks, because the Applethon is far from over. All right, folks, gather round because we've got quite the tech drama brewing today, and it stars none other than AppLovin Corporation, the mobile gaming and app tech giant you might already know and have downloaded multiple apps from. What's the tea, you ask? Well, it comes hot and ready, courtesy of some eye-popping allegations, and not just one, not two, but three law firms eyeing a class action lawsuit. Grab your popcorn, it's a wild ride. First off, let's address the elephant in the server room. AppLovin's stock has taken quite a plunge. Thanks to a bombshell from Fuzzy Panda Research, yes, real name, they've been accused of ad fraud, data chicanery, and well, serving questionable ads to audiences that definitely should not be seeing them. According to the research report, AppLovin has been allegedly using manipulative techniques to inflate their click-through and app download rates. Imagine an ad that clicks on itself or downloads an app sneakily. It's like a ghost in the advertising machine. Now, these aren't your everyday accusations. They're the kind that sink stock prices faster than I sink PTO at a gaming convention. On February 26th, their stock nosedived from a respectable $377.06 to $331 per share. That's right, their stock had a worse fall than my high school production of Humpty Dumpty. So who's suiting up to take AppLovin to court? Bronstein, Gewirtz & Grossman LLC, Faruqi & Faruqi LLP, and the Gross Law Firm. These legal eagles are seeking justice and a big payout for investors who allegedly got suckered by some misleading financial results and growth forecasts. Put simply, they're looking to hold AppLovin accountable for how its practices may have affected stock prices. Now, these firms are opening their doors for investors who suffered losses during the class period from May 10th, 2023 to February 25th, 2025. If you suffered major losses, the lawsuit might just be your salvation, or at the very least, the start of your journey to potential compensation. So there you have it, the juicy details of why AppLovin is in today's headlines. Now here's the question of the day for you. Do you think these accusations hold water, or is this just a case of competitive mudslinging? Could this impact giant app corporations similar to AppLovin? I'm dying to know your thoughts, so slam that comment section like a like button. And don't forget to hit us up with your hottest takes and maybe even a gift to keep things spicy. Hey, we've got to entertain each other while we watch this saga unfold. As always, keep it classy and techie. Can't wait to hear from you all. All right, let's spotlight and understand AppLovin in our tech stock theater today. Here's the question that's probably on your mind. Should you be thinking about buying, selling, or holding this stock? Given the tech drama unfolding around AppLovin with multiple law firms eyeing it for a potential class action lawsuit due to accusations of ad fraud and data manipulation, it's a high-risk scenario right now. The stock has already taken a nosedive from $377.6 to $331 per share following these allegations. Here's the straightforward read. All this legal kerfuffle could impact their operations, management's energy, and potentially stock stability, at least until these issues are addressed or resolved. In such a turbulent situation, today's narrative would suggest a more conservative hold strategy if you're already invested. Why? It's time for AppLovin to air its defenses and clarify its position, which could reflect positively once the cloud of uncertainty dissipates. That said, if new to this stock or considering a buy, it's potentially wiser to wait it out until further news emerges or the dust settles from these explosive allegations. This pause could save you from riding the financial roller coaster fueled by the uncertainty of ongoing legal entanglements. Remember, it's crucial to look beyond the buzz. While legal woes present a wild venture landscape, tech innovations and annual growth trends matter significantly in grasping a company's longer-term prospects. So before making any moves with your investment dollars, whether it's AppLovin or any other stock, be sure to conduct your thorough research, evaluate all relevant factors, and consider seeking specialized financial advice. Keep it smart and savvy, folks. Wow, what a whirlwind of tech action today. From Google's cloud-enhanced partnerships and AI innovations making waves across industries, to Apple's tariff Tango impacting stock performances and strategic shifts, we've covered some exciting ground. Meanwhile, AppLovin finds itself in the hot seat under scrutiny with legal battles that could reshape the app landscape. It's been a day full of market twists and turns that showcase just how dynamic the tech world can be. And hey, if you enjoyed today's news roundup, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. I promise, tomorrow's drama and developments will be just as juicy. So make sure you're right back here to catch all the latest buzz. See you then.